Now we're putting eggs in the microwave.
All over the window and you never see nothing.
We got foamy stuff to wipe it off with.
We put eggs in the microwave.
For 9, look at the timer. We're gonna see what happens to eggs. Oh, I want to sit down. We should get chairs or something.
To watch it. See the egg. Nothing's happening, but it smells like crap from deodorant.
Oh, it's cracking. It's all lacking.
Pretty soon.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the fireworks. I still say Bigger and Better is the most amazing game ever created. I like how the batteries don't even spark anymore.
Oh yeah, right here. That's gotta be sick.
What?
Just a big opening right there.
Huh. That's awesome.
Drying armor there for us.
Oh, something's starting to happen. Think. Any minute now.
Oh man, it's almost in a minute.
How much longer can the eggs take? Deodorant, batteries, Lego. Everything's in there. I still Christmas lights are the best though. Oh, I wonder what the fireworks will do. The stick just melted again. It just turned into a puddle and it's melting around. It's.
Oh, it looks like the egg's like boiling.
I know. Oh, it's all the water's coming out of the egg now. Holy. The eggs are sweating. Sweaty. It's just gonna explode. I hope it doesn't kill us.
I hope it doesn't wreck my nice. Can we eat it?
It's been almost 3 minutes. I wonder how long it will take for the fireworks. Holy.